Please welcome the game director of Bethesda Game Studios, Todd Howard.
Watch this, a newest release. The legendary series you missed for years comes back, get ready for some action. Got a couple bugs in here, spoken scripts right there. The fans fix it anyway, so we don't care. They'll patch it through microtransactions. So enjoy your pretty nylon bag. Oh, and boy, stop shitting on our swag. You're not getting any money back. You knew this was a one-way wacky track. Dish it up and have your nylon bag. Coming up with it was real drag. All proceeds will drink the two won't take, so you're not getting your money back. It just works, it'll last on. It shows people buy, money flows. It just works. It just works, overpriced, open words, earnings rise. Take my word. It just works. It just works. It just works. It just works. Cutting edge as far as I can tell. The creation engine aged very well. We're not planning on doing anything about it. Skyrim's a limit, don't deny it. See this mountain, you can't buy it. In the DSC for the price of a real mountain. What's wrong with the train in place of your head? Come on, believe me, you see nothing yet. The battle spaceship with the dragon animation will become a new sensation on the internet. Just shut up, give us your every dime. Buying an armored horse is not a crime. Ideas can either shadow me with life, so we'll start on one more time at a time. It just works, it'll last on. It shows people buy, money flows. It just works. It just works, overpriced, open worlds, earnings rise. Take my word. It just works. It just works, it just works. We don't want your end machine. It's just everything we need. See the Lord in useless job. Profits making our sleep. We don't want your end machine. It's just everything we need. See the Lord in useless job. Profits making our Now listen up. Welcome to the place washed by E-like waves. There's 2.5 peasants with the same ugly face. If you're not into small towns, check out big-ass planes. 50 times the size of Skyrim, twice as many corners cave. You see, we at Bethesda know exactly what you want. Hugger gamers inspired us to improve shopping a lot. Now each stock must be bought for an extra 10 spot. And saving now was a pay bond for just 20 a slot. You're never getting bored with infinite quests. There's every vagabond to put you to the test. To be richly awarded with infinite chests full of rusty swords and used pregnancy tests. We got rid of skill trees, they were old and lame. We need a leveling system in a role-playing game. We can just slash and kill and save one more nation. No more levels and skills, only degradation. It just works, it'll last on. It shows people buy, money flows. It just works. It just works, overpriced, open worlds, earnings rise. Take my word. It just works, little eyes, stunning shows. People buy, money flows. It just works. 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 It just works.